Hey guys, I just wanted to come with a video on what we can still plant in July in zones 5 through 7. So first up we have zucchini and squash. There are many varieties of zucchini and squash that we can still plant. Most varieties take 55 to 60 days and the smaller ones will mature quicker. So like patty pan squash and earlier varieties will produce pretty quickly. But we in zone 5 still have a little bit over 100 days to grow, and these would be perfect to get in the garden for a succession crop. All right, next up we have beans. You can do bush beans, which would probably mature quicker than pole beans. But like I said, we do have 100 days left in our growing season, so we can still do those pole beans. Lots of green beans. I love green beans. Next up, cucumbers. Yes, we can still plant cucumbers in zones 5 through 7. Small varieties of watermelon, sugar baby, moon and stars, just to name a couple. Radishes. Yes, radishes grow really quickly, and you can plant radishes like every 2 to 3 weeks just to get a continuous crop of radishes. There are many varieties of radishes to try. I encourage it. Kale. Kale's another one. If you get your kale in now, you can harvest it by the fall. Okra. There's a couple varieties of okra. I'm growing those now. And even sunflowers. Yes, you can even get your sunflowers in. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, the more you know, the more you grow.